Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So in this video we will see like a little bit like a few different thing which is related to ChatGPT. So like everyone is using Excel and using the formula. So they are like using the formula who is very expert and typing the formula, and every sentence should know for use the formula for that. So in this video we will learn that how to you will communicate with the ChatGPT, how to get the result or data according to your what you want from the ChatGPT. Okay, so we will see using manually how you are doing, then I will see using the ChatGPT as well. So let's get started with like a very simple formula with the sum. So I just wanted to calculate the sum of column C. So if you want to calculate like all cell value in the column C, then what we'll see as like a normal formula we are using, then I will type equal to then sum, and then I'll select this column, complete column. So I will press shift control and down arrow. Your all values has been selected. Now come to the formula, press comma. Okay, now I think it's selected, then close the bracket and press enter. Now you got the like summation, like a total number, sum of this cell values column C. Okay, so now my again motive is to find same thing through the chat GPT. How can I do smartly? So like if you assume that you don't know the formula, this formula that some formula in the Excel, then what you will do, you need to very smart here, you need to go chat GPT and search for this, that like I wanted to make a summation or a total of this column. Then what you will see, you need to only little bit analyze, this is the column C and how many rows are there. So you can go below and you can see that there is a 151 rows. Okay, so now go to the chat GPT and type here Excel formula to add column C row 151. Okay, press enter. Now you got the formula, you simply copy it and go to Excel and paste on this box. Now you can check you got the same number. So like you don't know the formula, which formula should I use to like get the summation, so you simply just go there and he will give that formula. What the formula I will get, you simply copy and paste. So now you are thinking that very simple formula, sum is a very simple formula, and you are using the chat GPT, but the thing is very simple, and starting like learning that how you start using the chat GPT. So this is the idea. So now we will move like next forward. So in that we will see very complex formulas as well, how I can get our scenario based result using the chat GPT. Okay, so let's see next one, which is average. Now let me calculate average of column C, and then I'll calculate with the chat GPT. So let me see how we will calculate using the formula. So like in this box we want to calculate average, so press equal then average, and then you need to pass the number 1, number 2 like this. So I just wanted to calculate average of column C. So you want to select like complete column C where is the data available. So you need to press shift control and down arrow. Everything is selected. Now close the bracket. Okay, so once you close the bracket and press enter, you get the average. Okay, so I calculated through the formula. Let me you just imagine that you don't know the which formula in the Excel I should use to calculate the average, then go to direct chat GPT and ask for that. Okay, so let me calculate average through the chat GPT. So for that you need to little bit observation or analysis over the data. So you want to calculate average of column C. It means like a column C and how many rows are there in this C. So you need to like check that like this. So you already check that it's like a 151 column. So you need to go like chat GPT and type there like this. Go and write calculate average in Excel for column C and row 2 to 151. You just enter. Once you enter, you will get this formula. You need to simply copy this and go to Excel and paste here. You can see this exactly same value you got. So for this, what the benefit of like using like a chat gpt? For that, you need not to choose like select and column and like cell value or anything. You need to just write and copy and paste, immediate you will get result. So by this way you can analysis and you can apply any kind of formula, what kind of result you want. You just make a habit to write in the chat gpt, so that you get a formula and you just type here and you can get like a result there. Okay, so let me go to little bit complex formula, which is if. So for if, I will apply in the cell manually, then like how you are normally using the if, then later we will use the chat gpt. So like if just press equal and then if tab. Now there is a three parameter. One is logical test, second one is the value if true and false. Okay, so I just wanted to pass here logical test. So I wanted to check that value, that this value is greater than 80,000 or not. So if I'm just typing here that this value is less than 80,000, then I need like less, like in this cell value I just need less. And if this is like this condition is false, if it is true it will be print less, and if it is like false, like then will I just wanted to more, I just wanted more here. Okay, so you just write more and then close the bracket. So I just enter. So once you enter, you can check here, the value here is 70,000, but it is showing less because I just applied the formula, so the condition is true. 70,000 is less than 80,000, then this condition is true, then this is showing less, otherwise it will show more. So let me use the cell referencing and extend this. So let me extend below. Again I got less, and 50,000 is the less than 80,000, and it's I think 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is less like more than 80,000, that's why it's showing more. So let's move to the chat gpt. So before moving chat gpt, you need to little bit observation over data, that what kind of data you wanted to like from the chat gpt. So you need to, you want to compare like this value to the 80,000, then you want to like, if the value is less than 80,000, then you want to print less, and if the value is more than 80,000, you want to print more. Okay, so like the cell value is what, name is what, C2. Okay, so I'm just remembering the C2, about the C2 I have to write. So go to the chat gpt and write here. Okay, write Excel formula for cell C2 if it is less than 80,000, then so less, otherwise more. Now hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will get the formula. You need to simply copy this formula, you go to the chat gpt, you can paste here. Once you paste, you will get the result. Now if you drag down, you will get same result. Okay, so what the benefit of doing this, you are not writing any kind of this parameter, you are not investing time for doing this. You just simply writing a single sentence to the chat gpt and copied the formula, pasting here, got the result immediately. So use this smart way to be very fast. You can improve your speed over the Excel. Okay, so I think it's too much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's move for next.